Right. So behind every successful woman, there is a tribe of other successful women who have their back. We'll keep on discussing. We'll talk about this thin line, but I would like to understand your perspective, ma'am. How important do you think is to draw a line between women empowerment and women dominance?
See, in today's time, I feel that it is important that, first of all, we all women, we first be empowered. First, we, the privileged ones who are empowered, we pull up those who are not empowered. First of all, I don't believe that women are not empowered. We all are empowered. We are all Ma Durga. You were talking about I dressing up Ma Durga. I feel we come from a land of Ma Durga, Ma Saraswati, Ma Lokhi, Ma Kali. We all women are Ma Durga. And all the things which are needed to be Ma Durga, God has given us. We just need to realize that we have everything in between us, inside us. And the privileged ones like us who have realized that, we need to pull up those who haven't yet realized. So first of all, I believe that we need to be empowered and then step into that area of dominance. That area of dominance is necessary, provided it is for the benefit of the society, it is for the benefit of humanity, it is for the benefit of the others. And there we do not cross the line where we harm others. Dominance is not bad. Dictatorship is bad. Autocratic rule is bad. Dominance is not bad.
Ma'am, how do you wish to inspire the women entrepreneurs of today? And I will listen to it very, very carefully. Because I need to be inspired. Yes.
No, for the women entrepreneurs, I think it's so important, that you inspire another 20 women, because right now, with the economy of the world, being down so much after this pandemic, jobs are not there right now, and we all need to kind of be entrepreneurs and at least maybe employ 5, 10, 15, 20, 100, as much as women or men as possible. So I think it is very much necessary that we start something of our own. Every one of us is talented, and I don't believe in this that you need a huge investment to start any kind of entrepreneurship. So you can start with anything. I myself started with I don't know whether you'll believe it, in 1997 I started my label. I used to work in a boutique where I used to get 2,500. My salary was 2,500. And I used to get a 7% commission on the clothes that I designed, which got sold. So the money which I got at the end of the month was around 10,000 or 7,000, depended on which season. During pujas and Diwali, it was 10,000, 15,000, and in the summer season it was 7,000, 6,000. But I started from there. So I feel that we need to start somewhere. And for entrepreneurship, again, I feel that we need to have that perseverance, that patience to be there. You just can't lose, you just can't leave it.